All right, welcome. In this lecture, we'll be installing a web server that allows us to work locally on our machine, okay, when developing a project without having to work from an online server, okay, or what is technically known as a production server. And for the purpose of this course, I'm going to be using a web server called Xampp, and there are a couple of others like Xampp and Xampp. Okay, feel free to use whichever one you feel comfortable with, and you can also choose to use Xampp with me throughout this course. And in case you don't know what Xampp is an open source software bundle, okay, which includes open source software packages such as Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. And it might interest you to know that Xampp, okay, is cross-platform compatible. It works on a variety of operating systems. It works on Windows, Linux, and the Mac. And that is represented by the letter X in the word Xampp. Okay, that letter X means that Xampp is cross-platform compatible. And what Xampp does is it allows us create a complete development environment, okay, for building our project, after which we can then deploy to a production server where it can be accessed by the whole world. And like I said before, Xampp is an open source software bundle, okay, and by the word open source I mean it's free, okay, and the bundle comes with Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. Okay, now Apache is the web server software, okay, that reads and executes the server-side programming language, okay, which in this case is PHP, which we'll be using for this project. And MySQL is a database server software package that allows us to store data, okay, in what we call tables, okay, which contains rows and columns. Okay, so make sure you are on this website, apachefriends.org, okay, and depending on whichever links here that corresponds to your operating system, you can say we have Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux, and Xampp for Mac. Okay, so depending on whichever operating system you are using, you can click on this link and the download will start immediately. Okay, I'm not going to download it because I have it already, but I'm going to walk you through the installation process. Okay, so make sure you click on that. You can see the download is about to start, but I'm not going to download it. Okay, I have it already. Okay, so download that, and when you've downloaded it, double click on it to launch the installer. Okay, and we have a message here. It seems you have an antivirus running. Okay, I want to continue with the installation. Okay, and if you are here with me, you want to click on next. And we need Apache, we need MySQL. I'm not going to be needing this, okay, but if you are conversant with using that and you want to use that, you can include that. I'm not going to be using this also. I'm not going to be using this, okay. I'm not going to be using this and this. Okay, so click the next button there, and I want to install that in a directory called Xampp, okay, which is thus created in the root directory, okay, of my system here. Okay, so click next, and we want to click next again, and setup is now ready to begin installing Xampp on your computer. Okay, you also want to click next again. Fine. Okay, so this is installing, and I'm gonna pause the video, and when it's completely installed, I will continue with the video. Okay, the installation is complete, and you want to check this. Okay, do you want to start the control panel now? You want to check that, and click on finish here. Okay, you want to choose English. Okay, so we have the control panel here, and we want to start Apache and MySQL. Okay, MySQL has been started, and for some reasons Apache is taking long. Let's stop that and start it again. Okay, so it's running, and to see that this is actually working, let's go to the Xampp folder. Okay, open that up, and you want to navigate to the htdocs folder where we'll be working from. Okay, so we want to create a folder here. Let's just call it test, and I want to create a PHP file in there. Let's call it test.php. Okay, and you want to open that up. And if I open up a PHP tag in here, and I just want to echo something here, and thereafter access it from within the browser to see that this is working. Let's say this is working. Okay, hit the save button, and if we go to the browser, and the way we access whatever we are working on within the htdocs folder, we want to type localhost. Okay, and the name of the folder we have in the htdocs directory. Okay, so click that, and you can see we have the test.php file here. So click that. Okay, that is actually working. Okay, so Xampp is working, and let me open up phpMyAdmin. Okay, we'll be creating our databases from within this panel. Okay, the phpMyAdmin panel. Okay, so you can see we have that working. Okay, so this is phpMyAdmin. We'll be creating our database from within this user interface. Okay, so to create a database, we can just click new there, create the name of the database. Okay, we can create a database by specifying the name in there, and we click create and all of that. So I'm going to be using Notepad++ for this course, and you can go to the website. Okay, you can go to this website, Notepad++, and click on the download link here, and it's pretty easy to install, very easy, and that is what I'm going to be using for this course. Okay, there are a couple of other text editor like Sublime Text 2. Okay, we have Bracket, but for this course I'm going to be using Notepad++. Okay, so if you want to use Notepad++ with me, you can consider downloading and installing it. The installation is as easy as anything. Okay, very easy. Okay, so I'm going to end this lecture here, and in the next lecture we'll continue with this course. See you in the next lecture. Do have a nice time.